I'm at McAllister's. I have redeemed my free cookie, and today I have picked salted caramel, something that I have not had before. So here's my review of it. It's really fresh, as if they made it this morning. It's not that sweet, except for when you actually get the caramel. So,